Simple. What are adverbs? Let's start. What are adverbs? Be quick. Yes. Modify verbs, right? Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or another adverb, right? Yes, correct. So, different types of adverbs we have already discussed. First is manner. It tells how the action was done. Then time, when, place, where, frequency, how often, and then is degree. This shows intensity, how much, right? Now, okay. Modality. For modality, why I was not going. It is not, we are not going to carry this forward for adverbials. That is why just skip it. Okay. Otherwise, modality means opinion, speaker's opinion, right? But for adverbials, we don't need this, so we'll skip it. And also degree. So let's start. Now, what happened? For adverbials, what are adverbials? We have discussed this. Adverbials. What are phrases? If I talk about phrases, what is a phrase? Group of words without finite verb, right? No finite verb. Is it okay? Now for adverbials, simple thing is you need to know that adverbials, if I talk about adverbial phrase, one is adverbial phrase, other is adverbial clause. If I talk about adverbial phrase, then this means this will perform the function of adverb only. That's all. Nothing else. काम उसका कुछ और नहीं है. But the thing is, here we have only one word. In this case, we have group of words. That's all. Right? Group of words without finite verb. For adverbial clause, we have group of words, but with finite verb and a subject. Got it? And the function adverbial phrase and clause perform, that is the same. That is adverbs. Modify verbs. Is it okay? Understood? Sure. So adverbial clause, again, group of words, but with finite verb. With finite verb and subject. Do you remember that clauses are of two types, main clause, subordinate clause? No? Very good. So, those who are online, do you remember this, that clauses are of two types? Yes. Okay. So, one is main clause, other is subordinate clause. So, adverbial clauses are subordinate clauses. Is it okay? Means these clauses will begin with a conjunction. Okay? These clauses will begin with a conjunction. Got it? And from there, it is very easy to identify any type of clause. You need to underline that part. Underline from the conjunction to the end or whatever the sentence is. Is it okay? Got it? Now just second. Okay. Only Bani and Avni. They are the good girls who remember. Others, no response. I'll give you one example of phrase first. For adverbial phrase. Okay, wait. There are types also. Let's consider first phrase. Remove this. For phrases, types are almost same. Manan. I hope it is visible. Yes, those who are online. Visible? Manan, rename yourself and then join. Manan, rejoin, rename yourself, roll number, name, class, section. Now these are two sentences. Okay. If we see there is not a single word, means we cannot identify adverb, means one word, but there are group of words. Can you identify any phrase here? Be careful, phrases usually they begin with prepositions. For more information, here, what? In a hub, right? So these are the phrases. Now, can you just ask question and then tell me the type? For second one, first, leave the first one because this I have to introduce. She slammed the door in a huff. How? So it means which type of adverb? That's all. So this is the verb. Means they will answer the same questions. Same types are there. Adverbial phrase of manner, time, place, frequency, leave, degree. Here we will add purpose. Okay. What is the purpose? She went online. Why? Got it? Is it okay? This is all about. Yes, for more information is yes, Avni. So done. I hope yes. 4 adverbial phrases of time, manner, place, frequency, and purpose. Done. Means if you will ask the question how, you will get manner, when, time, where, place, frequency, how often, and then why. This is the new. Otherwise, others you know. Okay. Chalo, do the exercise C. Exercise C. First, you have to underline the adverbial phrase. I hope you can see that this is just a phrase. There is no verb here. There is no verb. Same way here also. No verb, right? And then preposition, right? So adverbial phrases begin with prepositions. Okay. Chalo. Do the exercise. Twenty-three, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Done. Okay, good. Gurkaran done. Anmol done. Here, Bani done. Shreya. Okay, let me announce this also. Those who are online, that Shreya, she has been appointed as assistant head girl. Okay. So say congratulations to her. I'll convey your wishes to her. Okay. Let's start. First, he will be back in an hour. Okay. In an hour. And make sure that if you are talking about phrase, do not underline only one word. Okay. It means definitely that is going to be the wrong answer because we are talking about phrase, group of words. Okay. So then is Udit stood in the middle of the circle and sang. One more thing. Yes, in the middle of the circle. Phrases can be in the middle of the sentence, at the end, okay, sometimes in the beginning also. So it is in the middle of the circle, place, kind. Yes, okay. In an hour, time. In an hour, time. And in the middle of the circle, place. She waited for him through the evening. Through the evening. Time. What? Are tell. Bani is saying time. Time. Gurkaran, your answer is different. What is your answer? Are tell na. बताओ तो सही एक बार आंसर. Frequency. Frequency. It can be because telling the duration through the evening. So let's consider this in time right now. Vivek reads 3 books in a week. In a week. Time. This is to clearly frequency. Rizwana plays tennis like a champion. Like a champion. Manner. Huh. Like a champion. Manner. Next is Roma bought a beautiful scarf from the crafts fair. Beautiful scarf from the crafts fair. This is place. The carpenter cut the wood with a saw. With a saw. Purpose. Avni is saying purpose. Manner. How? It's manner. Otherwise, there is one more, that is agency. The tools that are used, but that is not mentioned here. So we'll go with this. Next is Sanjay is studying hard to become a historian. To become a historian, purpose. The child smiled in gratitude. In gratitude, manner. Harsahaj, what are you doing? Purpose. Why? Last is my aunt is coming here for a holiday. For a holiday. Done. Same way we have clauses, but there are few more types. Adverbial clauses. Clauses already discussed. That clauses group of words. Group of words. Finite verb is present. Finite verb and subject. Definitely the sequence is different. Sequence is subject plus finite verb. Is it okay? Got it? Clauses include a finite verb and a subject. Anvay, that is purpose. So finite and subject, finite verb and subject. Adverbial, if I talk about adverbial clauses are dependent clauses. Okay, they depend on the main clause. So adverbial clauses, subordinate clauses. These are subordinate clauses, usually begin with conjunctions, right? We use a conjunction because like these, okay, there are when, where, these types of conjunctions we use to introduce our adverbial clause. Got it? Understood? Clear? Now for if clauses, again we have manner, we have time, we have place, we have frequency, purpose, but there is no purpose, frequency is not there. It's concession. Purpose still there. Then we have reason. Now you have to check very carefully whether the next part means clause part, it suggests a purpose or a reason. Reason बता रहा है कि कोई काम का क्या है और उसका purpose बता रहा है. बहुत easily पता चल जाएगा, ठीक है? Then we have concession, we have contrast. Contrast, I think, very simple, where we, what we do? We show contrast, but this till yet we use these types of, right? And then if I talk about condition, when we put conditions, if you listen carefully, you will pass the exam. This stuff. If you complete your homework on time, you will get this reward. So what I'm doing, I'm just giving you a condition. Fulfill this and then you will get this. Is it okay? Contrast, I show the child is naughty, but he is also intelligent or whatever. Okay? Contrast. Then comparison. In comparison, what we do? Simple comparison is done. Then word is used, we use this, and then we compare. Got it? So reason, manner, time, place, purpose, reason. Then we have comparison, then we have contrast, concession. The concession, for contrast they have used concession. Session. And last is condition. Let me write the sentence. You must keep practicing the song until you get it right. Easiest way is to find out the conjunction. Once you are able to identify the conjunction, then from there you can easily underline the clause. This is the first sentence. Second is identify. Okay, Avni. Purpose and one is result. ये भी साथ में लिख लो. And for reason, cause. Leave this one. Check this one. This will show the result. Means why will be answered as a result. Whatever the result means, if अगर आप practice कर रहे हो, then you will get this result. This type of answer here, this will show the reason. कि उसको काम को करने का reason क्या है. Wait. Yes, Anvay. Adverbials, adverbial clauses, adverbial phrases. These are group of words. Adverb only one word. But the function is same. Okay. Manner is not included. Right. Sorry. Done? What? Exercise. Exercise done? All of you have done the exercise. Acha. You must keep practicing the song until you get it right. Until you get it right. Second, the day felt long because we had nothing to do. Because we had nothing to do. Tell. First reason. Condition. Sure, condition or time. Condition or time. Ask question. Huh? Condition to we if you will do this, if usually when condition is there, usually we use if. सबसे ज़्यादा if use होता है. It is actually time. And what about this? Huh? Reason. The day felt long because we had nothing to do. Right? Simply this shows the reason. Reason or cause. I think from here it is clear क्योंकि उसमें कोई purpose नहीं था, कोई result नहीं दिख रहा था उसका कारण बता रहे थे. ठीक है, चलो we'll do. I'll drink a glass of hot milk when I reach home. When I reach home. Time. Sure. Time. Huh? Home to place है, but the question you ask, will you ask when or where? क्या पूछोगे? Where पूछोगे कि when पूछोगे? When पूछोगे ना? हैं? What? हाँ, तो फिर time means तो adverb of time हो गया ना? Adverbial phrase or clause of time. He did not find his wallet where he had left it. Where he had left it? Place. Place. She practiced regularly so that she could win the tournament. So that she could win the tournament. Now just be careful. Is it showing any result or purpose or reason. Result show कर रहा है? There is one result ना? What do you think? हाँ? रीजन भी है, बट उसका रिजल्ट भी तो उन्होंने तो रिजल्ट मेंशन कर दिया ना. उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? That she could win the tournament. This is the result which she will get. Almost all they answer the same thing. In few books maybe इन्होंने ये combine ही किए होते हैं. ठीक है? Next is Roma went to sleep immediately because she was tired. Because she was tired. Here it is reason. Got it? First it was purpose. Second it was reason. Because she was tired. Next is they packed the night before so that they could leave early. So that they could leave early. Purpose. This is the result that they will get. Next is if you don't pay the rent, I will go to court. If you don't pay the rent, condition. He panicked as soon as he heard the news. As soon as time, when time. Nobody knows a child better than her mother does. Mother does comparison. Though she has a limp, she is very confident. Concession. This is contrast. The helicopter burst into flames before it could land. Before it could land. Time. Done. Let's finish this part or we'll do tomorrow because your syllabus is over. I don't have anything done. We'll start with the revision part. Only one exercise is left. We'll do it. What? 9. Concession. That is concession. Concession. Though she has a limp, this is clause and concession. And if you have noticed, in every sentence, I think there is one subject, otherwise 2 subjects because there are 2 clauses, but the part that we have underlined. When I reach home, I subject, reach, finite verb, right? Where he had left it, he subject, had left, finite verb. Okay, got it? So this is the important thing. Anvi, I'll send you the picture. Okay, is it Anvi or Avni? Anvi. Okay, I'll send the picture.